Welcome to Something for Everyone. Here on our channel, we are going to do so many projects. We want to welcome everyone to this channel. Hopefully you find something that you like on here. Go ahead and subscribe and like. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. If you definitely like it, if you don't, give us a thumbs down and tell us what you like about it or you dislike about it. We want to make sure everybody is welcomed here. And always enjoy our projects. Our project today is Something Special Always for You. Check it out.
So on this part, I actually didn't get a chance to take pictures of the results. The results were so awesome. So I went ahead and I did the whole entire thing. Let's watch and see what happened.
Alright, so I'm going to set this back up here. Oh, goes this way actually. I get it right. Oh.
So right here, I decided to go ahead and do the whole entire basket because that one piece that I blew up actually turned out great.
Alright.
So let's continue.
I'm going to put that coat there. Here. And since this grain goes this way, I'm going to work myself in between and on top of these. So guys get a chance to see how it all folds out. The bottom part is easier to do at first than the top. If I end up with bubbles, I don't think I'm gonna be mad with myself because it's my first project. I've never done this. It's just gonna have some bubbles. Like bubbles, baby. Okay, so anyways, yeah. And I protected my table. It's not easy getting in between here though. To be honest about that. I should have a little brush, but I don't own one right now. Not one that's usable. Put it that way. But this is really working out okay. I'm using what I have to get the job done. Now, go with the grain. Here. Go with the grain. There we go. There we go. There we go. With the grain. With the grain. I keep saying that, so I'm forgetting to go with the grain. That's all. And I'm so messing this up. Never go back over it again like what I'm doing right now. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna do this side. All right, so now I've done both sides. I'm going to leave this like this to dry. Possibly I'm trying to figure out the area I want to sit it in. Probably under my desk. And this needs like 4 to 8 hours to dry. And while that's drying, I can actually finish my dress. And then if it needs a second coat, then I'll come in with a second coat. I don't think it will though. I just want it. Hope you enjoyed the content that you just saw, the project that you just watched with us. If you want to see something happen on this channel, leave it in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe and like, hit the bell icon so you can get all of the notifications when we upload new content to this channel. And always remember, you are welcome here at Something for Everyone. We want to make sure we all live clean and frugal and upright. So without further ado, always enjoy and have the most creative day.